Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share this channel with someone you think would enjoy it. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 174. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 3 and 6 here, so this is our 1, 3 here, so 6, 3. For this column, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 8 here, so 2, 8. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this top row, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. For this row, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. For this box now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this box, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 8. 4 here, so 1, 4. For this box now, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 here and a 5 here, so this is our 2. That 7 makes this our 5, 7. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this row, we're missing a 1. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. And I just noticed this 1 makes this our 6, 1. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this row now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this row, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. And for this bottom row, looks like we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.